To populate the data in a recycler view, you need to use an adapter. So go to this package, create a new Kotlin class, and name it as Sports Adapter. An adapter acts as a bridge between the data source and the recycler view, providing a way to create and bind views for each item in the data set. Here, inside the primary constructor of this sports adapter, I need to pass val sports list. It's an array list of type sport model. Here in this example and in this application, our data set and the data source is an array list of type sport model class. Then I need to extend from the RecyclerView adapter class. Alt plus enter to import the RecyclerView class from Android X library and .adapter. And here I need to specify the view holder. Sports adapter extends from RecyclerView.adapter class. It's a generic class parameterized with the type ViewHolder, which is a nested class that you should define within the sports adapter class. The first step is to create the adapter class. The second step is to extend from RecyclerView.adapter class. The third step is to create the inner class, inner ViewHolder class. And the fourth step is to pass the parameter or the generic type here in the RecyclerView.adapter generic type. I'll start with the inner class my view holder, and this view holder takes into the constructor item view. It's of type view. Alt plus enter to import the view class, extending from RecyclerView.ViewHolder class. And here I need to pass the item view again. I'll keep it empty because in the next video I'm going to work with the view holder. But now I want from you to understand that my view holder is a static inner class that extends from RecyclerView.ViewHolder class. It holds references to the views within each item in the recycler view. You will need to define and initialize the views such as text views, image views within the item layout in this class. This is usually done in the init block or directly in the constructor. In the next video, we're going to work with the view holder. But I want from you to follow me exactly in the same order of the steps that I followed. Create the sports adapter, pass the list in the primary constructor. The third step is to extend from RecyclerView.adapter. The fourth step is to create an inner class that it is of type ViewHolder, extending from ViewHolder, and then pass this inner class as a generic type inside this RecyclerView.adapter. So here I'm specifying sports adapter dot my view holder. I am accessing this inner class. You can't directly write like this because it will not find it. Alt plus enter, change the constructor, import the class. No, I need to specify, to access the inner class, you need to specify the parent class. So sports or the outer class. Sports adapter dot my view holder. Okay, this is how we create the adapter for the recycler view.